Looking for a reliable rear-view monitor that makes parking and driving safer? This 7-inch backlight color TFT LCD monitor offers crisp visuals with low power consumption, designed to fit your busy lifestyle. Whether you mount it or use it standing, its versatile setup lets you customize your view effortlessly. When you shift into reverse, the monitor automatically powers on and switches to your rear-view camera feed. This seamless transition means no fumbling with buttons while backing up. Once you're done, the screen switches back to your original display and powers off, saving energy without you lifting a finger. The 7-inch screen delivers a sharp resolution of 800 by 480 pixels, with a contrast ratio of 400:1 that ensures clear images even in varying light conditions. Its quick response time, 30 milliseconds from black to white and 10 milliseconds from white to black, keeps the video smooth and reduces lag, so you see every detail in real time. Powering this monitor is simple, thanks to its DC 12V, 24 volts compatibility and low 6W consumption. The durable ABS housing in sleek black keeps it lightweight at just 379 grams, making it easy to install without adding bulk. Plus, with dual video inputs, you can connect both front and rear cameras for full coverage. One user with a long truck shared how much they appreciate the fast startup and the ability to switch between front and rear camera views. It's especially handy when navigating tight parking spots or crowded lots, helping avoid those awkward moments sticking out into traffic lanes. If you want a monitor that combines smart features with practical design, this TFT LCD display is worth a look. It's built to enhance your driving confidence by providing clear, timely visuals exactly when you need them most. Ready to upgrade your vehicle's safety and convenience? This rear-view monitor makes parking less stressful and your drives more secure. Try it when you're ready to see the difference clear vision and smart automation can make on the road.